Michael Delaney, Biden's appeals court nominee, faces rare Democratic scrutiny. One of President Joe Biden's nominees to a federal appeals court has generated rare concern from some Democrats and outside groups over his signature on a legal brief defending a parental notification law in New Hampshire, injecting the issue of abortion into his confirmation fight from an unexpected flank. Michael Delaney, nominated for the First U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, based in Boston, said in written testimony to senators that he did not write the 2005 brief and otherwise had extremely limited involvement in the case that was brought while he was Deputy Attorney General in New Hampshire. But the signing of the brief, along with scrutiny of his representation of St. Paul's School, a private boarding school in New Hampshire that was sued in connection with a sexual assault, is complicating a confirmation fight in which the White House has little room for error. The close attention on an abortion case also shows how stakes are ever higher in a post-Roe v. Wade world. After the U.S. Supreme Court overturns constitutional rights to abortion proceedings, access to abortion may depend on magistrates, with supporters on both sides wanting near certainty when evaluating candidates. The issue helped to derail Biden's proposed selection last summer when the White House decided not to appoint an anti-abortion attorney in Kentucky after protests from Democrats. Delaney's case shows just how far Biden will push Democrats to endorse his nominated federal bench candidate, even after the White House set a record for the number of appointments in his first 2 years. To test. It will also test your personal advocacy skills in the club Senate. Members of the Senate are often influenced by other members who offer reliable advice. In this case, 2 Democratic senators from New Hampshire, Jeanne Shaheen and Maggie Hassan, strongly endorse Delaney and are deeply respected by other senators. Both are also strong supporters of abortion rights. At issue is a New Hampshire law passed in 2003 but repealed in 2007 that requires minors to notify their parents before having an abortion, was one of those who signed a document filed in the U.S. Supreme Court to defend the law on the grounds that it does not seriously impede a woman's right to choose abortion.